Oh my god, Corona! No, I don't have coronavirus. I rebuke in the name of Jesus. Bring our boys home, Mr. President. It's an unwinnable war.
President Johnson, bring our boys home from Southeast Asia. It's an unwinnable war.
You'll bring honor to us all.
You'll bring honor to us all.
My dear. I don't know what I'm doing. Let it sing. I apologize for being disgusting. I hope you don't mind. My first instinct was to use my earring as a toothpick. That's disgusting. Thank you for making me ugly, coronavirus. Jesus! Oh, I almost fell. You'll bring honor to us all. I'll make a man out of you.
Mister, I'll make a man out of you.
Let's get down to business to defeat the Hun. Did they send me daughters when I asked for sons? Gizmo crying. Gizmo crying. Gizmo! Hey! Earth to Gizmo! Cut it out. Pipe down, sir. You don't need to make those noises. You really don't. Wasn't me. You'll bring honor to us all. Trash alert, I'm calling the police. Sick of this bullshit. Pretty cool. I'm Miley Cyrus and that's pretty cool.
So I guess that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
They been fucking. My heart is beating out of my chest. Tee hee, tee hee. My stomach is in knots. I really G2G.